What is up, Shift 100 crew, and welcome back. Today, we're talking about a certified legend in the three-row SUV game, a ride that basically set the benchmark and has been defending its crown ever since. We're diving deep into the 2026 Kia Telluride. Is it still the undisputed king of the family haulers? Let's get into it. First up, what's new for 2026? The short answer is not a whole lot. Kia is basically playing it cool this year because a massive redesign is slated for 2027. So think of the 2026 model as the final victory lap of this iconic generation. It's a carryover from the 2025 model, which itself was building on the major facelift from 2023 that gave us those slick off-road trims and the massive screens inside. So, while it's not brand new, it's a finely tuned machine. So, what's our take? The Kia Telluride has aged like fine wine. Even years after it snatched the Motor Trend SUV of the Year award back in 2020, it's still one of the heaviest hitters out there. Its design is sharp, the interior feels way more expensive than it is, and the ride is pure comfort. You can even get it in the SXX Pro trim, which beefs it up for some light off-roading and looks absolutely mean. But let's keep it real, no car is perfect. The Telluride's main drawback is that you only get one engine choice, a solid but thirsty V6 with pretty average fuel economy. That third row can also be a bit of a squeeze for full-sized adults, and folding the seats isn't the smoothest operation in the world. Still, these are minor complaints. In a head-to-head battle with 6 other SUVs, the Telluride proudly took second place, only getting edged out by its own corporate cousin, the Hyundai Palisade. Let's talk numbers. Under the hood of every 2026 Telluride is a 3.8-liter V6, pumping out 291 horsepower. That's enough grunt to get this big boy from 0 to 60 in about 6.9 seconds for the X-Line trim. For context, the new Honda Pilot is right there with it, hitting 60 in the exact same time. So, performance-wise, it's right in the mix with the top contenders. Now, fuel economy. If you go with the front-wheel drive version, you're looking at around 20 miles per gallon in the city and 26 on the highway. All-wheel drive will drop that slightly. The Honda Pilot does a tiny bit better, especially the all-wheel drive version on the highway. It's not a deal-breaker, but it's something to think about. The real game-changer will be the Telluride Hybrid that's rumored for 2027. When it comes to keeping your family safe, the Telluride is an absolute fortress. It scored the IHH's Top Safety Pick Plus, which is the highest possible rating, and a 5-star overall rating from the NHTSA. Plus, it comes standard with a whole suite of driver assist tech like blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. Kia doesn't mess around with safety. By the way, if you appreciate these no-nonsense breakdowns, hit that subscribe button and join the Shift 100 family. We bring you the real deal on all the hottest rides. Inside, the Telluride is all about space and comfort, at least in the first 2 rows. Legroom is generous, and cargo space behind the third row is better than both the Pilot and Highlander. Fold those seats down, and you have a massive 87 cubic feet of space to haul whatever you need. Tech is on point too, with a huge 12.3-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and USB ports everywhere. Step up the trim levels and you get another giant screen for the driver display, a wireless charger, and a killer 10-speaker Harman Kardon sound system. So what's the verdict? The 2026 Kia Telluride continues to be a phenomenal value. It packs a premium interior, a super smooth ride, and a ton of standard features into a package that looks amazing. If you're looking for the sweet spot, the EX trim usually offers the best balance of features and price. It's a champion for a reason. And that's the bottom line on the 2026 Kia Telluride. It might be the end of an era for this generation, but it's going out on a massive high. For more deep dives and honest reviews that cut through the hype, make sure you are subscribed with notifications turned on. You don't want to miss what's coming next. We'll catch you on the flip side.